Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in as an employee on the AT&T website. So let's get started right away. In order to proceed with logging into your AT&T employee account, first of all open up your web browser, and once you open it up, in the address bar you will need to type in the following address. Type in hraccess.att.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the human resources page for AT&T. Now from this page, just click on your account type, whether you're an active employee, a retiree, or a non-management internal career path employee. After clicking on your appropriate login option, you will end up within the login portal. Now within the login portal, you will find various different options of logging in. Within the log on option drop-down menu, just choose your appropriate login option and you can enter your credentials. Just type in your user ID that was given to you while you were signed up as an employee. And within the password section, type in your AT&T password. In case you have forgotten your password, you can always click on Forgot Password in order to reset this using your phone number or your email. Finally, click on the Log On button and this will log you into your employee account with AT&T. And now you can start using your HR services. And there you have it. That is how you can log in to your active employee account within AT&T. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.